Want to know how to create a timer in Java using TimerTask? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can easily create a timer with just using a few methods and functions. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, this code right here, you can just simply copy up. It creates a timer and schedules a timer task to run every second. So inside a run method, so we can see a run method right here. What we have done is we have printed a countdown from 3 to 0. So when it hits a 0, we stop the timer with cancel. So we can see timer.cancel right here. So timer task is super useful. So we have created timer task right here, the new timer task that we had created. It's useful when you want to run code repeatedly after a delay, like games or reminders. And that's it. You only need a few lines of code just like this in order to run it off. So you can just simply run in an actual compiler to check it and you should be good to go. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.